In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini in the address bar of Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Chrome, type a simple command in the address bar, and let Gemini do the work while you wait for the results. First, start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Give it a second to load, then move your cursor to the very top of the window and click inside the address bar. This is sometimes called the Omnibox, and it's the place where you normally type a web address or a search. Today, we're using it to talk directly to Gemini. Now, type your command in the address bar. To direct your request to Gemini, begin with the word Gemini using the @ symbol, then write your prompt in natural language. For example, type @Gemini, create a dog and cats playing. Keep your phrasing simple and clear. If your goal is an image, you can say create an image of. And if you want text, you can say describe or write. The key is to tell Gemini exactly what you want in one smooth sentence. After you finish typing your command, press enter. You might notice a small confirmation in the address bar or a suggestion indicating Gemini is being used. That's normal and just means your request is being routed correctly. Next, wait patiently while Gemini processes your prompt. Depending on your internet connection and the complexity of your request, this can take a moment. Don't click away too quickly. Let it think and generate your results or suggested prompts. When the response appears, read it closely. If it offers suggested prompts, those are simply quick ways to refine your idea. Choose the one that best matches your intention, or go back to the address bar and type a more specific instruction, like @Gemini, create a playful scene with one golden retriever and 2 kittens in a sunny backyard. A few tips to get better outcomes. Be specific with details like style, mood, and format. Instead of create a dog and cats playing, you might say create an image of a golden retriever and 2 tabby cats playing with a red ball, bright colors, soft lighting. Clear direction helps Gemini understand exactly what to produce. If you don't see Gemini appear, it may depend on your Chrome version, account, or region availability. Just make sure you're signed in and using an up-to-date browser. Then try again. That's it. Open Chrome, use the address bar, type @Gemini with your command, press enter and wait for Gemini to deliver.